Here's a pair of Skullycandy Hesh ANC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to an Android phone. The Android phone I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S20. And of course we're going to connect via Bluetooth, alright? So first thing is we need to grab our headphones here. And we need to put these in pairing mode, okay? So these are currently off. Here's the power button right here, okay? So I'm going to press and hold for a few seconds so it turns on. Power on. So it's on. It says pairing. And now I see a red and blue light blinking. That's indicating this is in pairing mode, okay? So this is in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and grab our Android phone. And you just want to go to settings. And then go to your Bluetooth settings on this Galaxy S20. I'll click on connections. And then Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, okay? Toggle it on, tap on Bluetooth. And now it's searching for available devices that are in pairing mode down here. And there's the Hesh ANC right there. Let's tap on that. We get a pairing request. Let's tap on pair. And now it's connected. And there you go. Now, if you try to put it into pairing mode and it ends up saying it's connected, it's connected to a different device somewhere else. So you can't get into pairing mode. So what you can also do is you can perform a factory reset and then go ahead and pair it. You can look in the link below and I'll show you how to do that. Okay? Good luck, guys.